packing me a lunch. Hey, thank you. You're the best. Time to go head out to work. Have a good day.
이빨 닦았어?
Yes, I brushed my teeth.
무슨 신발?
Sweet! My wife's exercise bike has arrived. I'm gonna put this together at the house later on, but in the meantime, gotta work, make it happen out here at the liquor store. I got her an exercise bike like last time, about a year ago, and she's put it to so much use, and so I'm glad that she's getting a lot of exercise out of it and getting her cardio and everything really good. Here we go, time to put this all together. It's a good team lift. Just pull this out by putting it to the side. Cool. There she is. On this front bar mount, they include all the tools too. Then the rear mount. We got the seat. Handrail here. Let's see here. It's got to tighten 4 screws. This instrument to measure things like time, speed, distance, calories.
되게 섹시하다.
Cables to connect there, and it looks like it's on. Measures all kinds of things. Last but not least, the pedals. For me. Hey, thanks. Is this a twist off? Sure is. Just gotta tighten down a couple more knots here. Nice bike. Go ahead, ride it. 타봐봐요.
다리 아프네.
Ain't nothing like a cold beer after a long day. I know that's right.